In this video, we will discuss harmonic patterns. Now, harmonic patterns were formed in the were discovered in the late 1990s by a gentleman of the name Scott Carney. Uh, Essentially, the first harmonic pattern that was discovered was called the Gartley pattern, where it looks similar to this, where the market would sell off, it would have a rally, it would have a test down, one more, it would go up, and that would form the harmonic pattern. And the goal for the market would be to trade back lower. Typically, what we like to see is the market in a trending environment where it's on its way down, then forming these harmonic patterns where the market continues to go lower. A lot of times, traders will have a market that's going down. However, they would look to buy into a pattern that's has formed a low, has formed a bullish pattern down at the end of a range, where typically we want to see within a trend, something like this. Now, for example, and we're going to speak very lightly on this. If you want to learn more, uh, you can go to the harmonic section of our video library, the market geometry section, and research it more. Actually, we have a pattern scanner, harmonic scanner, that picks out these patterns, and I'll show you that in a minute. So what we look at for instance, is a move down, then that rally, that move down one more time, and that final rally up, where the market forms these patterns. Now, there are specific ratios that we look at in the market, and for the Gartley pattern, what is important is the market to reach what's called the 618 retracement. What that means is the market high to market low up 618 of this prior move down. We call this an X, an A, and a B. Now, the move down that we look at needs to be between the 38 and 88% of the move up right here. As you can see, it's right there about halfway. And then the market, we would expect to have one more move up, and that would go into that what they call a 786 retracement. And this is where we would sell the market and expect it to go lower. Now, although this didn't go all the way down, this was a substantial move from here to here, where the main thing is getting the entry right and putting your risk. Typically, the risk would go above the X. So in this case, if we were to draw it out, we would have this and that. Let's take a look at some examples in our patterns and our harmonic scanner. We looked at this in prior videos, actually. This would be considered the butterfly, another harmonic pattern. Market rallies from X to A, down to B, up to C, down to D, and you can see how it forms the perfect pattern. We have other patterns called the bat. Okay, you can see another example. Market makes a high, down, up, and harmonic patterns are very, very high probability patterns. The beautiful thing is that iMarkets Live has the harmonic scanner. There is nobody in the industry that has it. It does all the work for us. It finds the patterns, and all we have to do is enter. So go to the advanced videos, the video library, look at all the harmonic videos we have, look at all the market geometry videos we have, and you'll understand how we combine harmonics and Elliott wave and support and resistance and how everything just ties together. So, if harmonics is something that interests you, I definitely do suggest to investigate more. Also, we have the live trading room, the London session, Monday through Friday, 2 a.m. Eastern to uh, at least 3 o'clock Eastern, in our IML TV room, where we start off looking at harmonic scanner. We also have the harmonic pattern scanner for the web browser. So I hope we shed a little bit of a light on harmonic patterns, and at least in this particular indicator, I'm not sure if it's called an indicator, but at least here we have an actual scanner that can help you take and advance your trading so much further. I suggest to learn more and more about harmonics, more and more about the Elliott wave, as we did in our prior video, and just keep working with us and learning more and more. So hope you enjoy this video.